Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Ahn Co. Going to go over the markets for the day and week for you. It is Friday, March 8th. We finished off a very ugly day when you look at the grain complexes, and a week when you look at it overall in a big picture. USDA crop report today didn't really see much for details out of it. You saw a little bit of a surprise growing your carryout domestically for corn with a 75 million bushel decrease to export sales. You were lagging in export sales, but not as much as you were in soybeans and wheat, so that surprised the markets just a little bit, but overall just can't be catching a bid when you look at these markets. Corn market down a penny on the day, down 9 1/4 on the week. Soybeans down 6 3/4 on the day, down 15.5 cents on the week. Wheat complex really tried to come back for winter wheat, up a penny 1/4 on Chicago, up 3 1/4 on Kansas City, but overall negativity across the board for the week. Minneapolis wheat was the best of all of them, down 6 1/4 on the week, but Chicago wheat down 21 1/4, Kansas City down 16 cents, so a lot of negativity there. We did get an export sale this morning to China in soybeans, but it was 664,000 metric ton, and that's just really far away from that 10 million metric ton rumor we saw a couple weeks ago, so hopefully we get the rest of that next week. But overall, just kind of feeling doom and gloom when you look at these markets. We saw a new contract low for the May contract of corn. We were able to bounce off that, closing 2 cents higher than it, and got a close above your last low from back in September. So that was a little bit friendly, but overall a lot of negativity. Outside markets did not help this week as well. Dow market down over 700 points on the week. US dollar up 83, and that's a big factor into these markets. Kind of the rallying dollar is outpricing our grain on a world picture, and that's kind of the struggle we're seeing with exports, just trailing behind where we should be. Meat markets on the flip side had a good day and a good week. Live cattle here up 72.5 on the day, up 12.5 cents on the week. Feeder cattle here up just over $1 on the day, up over $2 on the week. And then lean hogs being the biggest gainer here, up 282.5 on the day, up over $4 on the week, as we start to kind of decrease some production into hogs, but keeping that demand structure alive and well. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trade-in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.